Almost there. Get the door. On it. This one first.
This rust is deeper than it looks. Yeah, but the frame feels solid. We'll see. Let's check the other side.
This rust is deep, but the frame seems solid. Yeah, this old girl's seen better days. We can fix her. Where is it? Keep looking. This could be it. Let me see. This seat is shot. Let's check the dash. Right. Give me a hand. On it. We have to go. Now. What's going on? No time. Just drive. All right, get in. Go! Hand me that wrench. Here. This bolt is stuck. Got it. Let's try now. Looks good. This bolt is really stuck. Let me get the wrench. Almost there. One more pull. Got it. This bolt's tight. Hold it steady. Got it. Keep turning. Almost there. Good. One more. Okay, hold the light steady. I'm gonna try and break this bolt free. Got it. The angle is good. All right. Turn it now. It's moving. See that bolt? It's seized tight. Yeah, I see it. I'll get the wrench. Careful, it's rusted through. See that bolt there? Yeah, I got it. Okay, turn it slow. It's loosening. The bolt's seized. Light here. Got it. Applying torque. Steady. Almost there. Done. Check it. Hand me the wrench. Here you go. Got it. Now tighten the bolt. It's tight. Good. All right. Take it up slow. Copy that. Lifting now. Easy on the swing. Looks good. Easy now. Watch the swing. Looks clear. Keep it coming. All right. Steady there. All right. Pick her up. Lifting now. Steady. Watch the swing. Hold it place. Stay. Hold it there. All right. Take it up slow. It's clear. Keep it steady. Looks good. Hold it there. All right. Lift it slow. Got it. Lifting now. Watch the swing. Higher. Hold it there. Ready? Let's swing it right. Ready. On 3, 2, 3. Easy now. She's lifting. Watch the swing. Chains are holding. Okay, take her up. Easy now. Bring it down steady. Got it. Watching the rear. Hold it there. Clear. It's down. Okay, lower it down slow and steady. Copy that. Bringing it down. That's it. Almost there. All right, take it up slow. Copy. Lifting now. Steady. Watch the swing. Got it. Lowering. Hand me the bracket. Yeah. This the one? Yeah, that's it. Let's check the panel. Looks good. How's it looking? Needs a new valve. Got it. Coming over. Right here. Fits perfect. All right, let's get this rust off. On it. This thing's a beast. Careful with the panels. Got it. This bolt is stubborn. Try the penetrating oil. Hey, can you hand me the 10 millimeter? Yeah, 1 sec. Here you go. Thanks. This bolt is really stuck. Keep it steady on the seam. Got it. Looks solid. Check the ground wire there. It's secure. Moving to the timing belt. Good. I'll tighten this bolt. Check the ground wire here. Looks frayed. I'll crimp it. Good. Now torque this bolt. On it. Check the grounds here. Got it. Looks good. Okay, tighten that. Done. This wire is corroded. Needs replacing. Got it. I'll check the fuel line. Good. Hand me that screwdriver. Check these wires for shorts. On it. Hand me the wrench. Looks good. Torque it down. Check the ignition wires. They look brittle. On it. Carburetor valve is sticky. Good. Tighten that manifold bolt. Check these grounds. They look corroded. Yeah, I'll clean them. Hand me the wrench. Here, check the timing after. Check the ground wire. It's corroded. I'll replace it. Good. Torque this bolt. On it. Make sure to get the rust off there. Yeah, working on it. Almost done. Good. I'll start the next window. This rust is stubborn. Keep at it. We'll get it done. This rust is really coming off now. Yeah, just a bit more on this panel. All right, let's check the other side. This side panel is ready. Good. The grill needs some work. Okay, opening the door. Check out this shine. Paint job came out perfect. Yeah, the interior is shining too, a real beauty. Look at that shine. The paint is flawless. Yeah, it's perfect. A real beauty. The paint job is incredible. It shines. It turned out perfectly. A real beauty. A real gem. Just look at that shine. The paint is flawless. A perfect restoration. Every detail is spot on. Couldn't be prouder. Just look at that shine. Perfect. Yeah, the paint came out flawless. A real beauty. Couldn't be happier. Look at that shine. Perfect. Yeah, real beauty. Now that's craftsmanship.